Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to add a column to a board in Notion. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to add a column to a board in Notion. The first thing you need to do is to open notion.so and log into your account, which of course I have done right now. The next thing to do is to navigate to the board view. So either create a new page or go to an existing one where you have a board view. So I have an existing page in here, which is to do. But for you to create a new page, go ahead and click on this create a new page icon to create a new page. So I'm going to work with this existing page. Now you have to create a board view. And how do you do that? Go ahead and click on the backward slash punctuation in here and click on database. So select database inline and head over to this where you have table. Click on the plus icon over here and change it to board. So now you have your board view. In a Notion board, the columns are created based on a select or multi-select properties such as status, stage, or priority. And how do we go ahead to fix that? Just go ahead and click on the edit button over here. And then open inside pick. And here where you have tags, go ahead and click on edit property. And in here you can select or you can choose multi-select. However, so let's say we're using multi-select and that's cool. So I'm going to title this as edit. So you can create a new page by clicking on this plus icon, or just go ahead and add more pages by adding more things right here. So click on the page and add more page. You can go ahead and change the edit property to multi-select if you want to, and make it select or make it multi-select. However you want to, of course, get this done, you can just go ahead and freestyle and you'll definitely be good to go. So once you're done with that, and go ahead and close the panel. Once you're done with that, there's something else that you need to do. First off, you can also use a template for this. All right, if you're using the template, this property might already be set, such as status, which includes to do, in progress, completed. You can also find this property by clicking the three dots at the top right of the board and selecting properties. That's if you're using an already existing template. All right, so the next thing to do is to add a new column. So once you're on the board, scroll to the far right of your existing column, which you have here, and you see this plus icon in there. So go ahead and click on this plus icon and it shows new group. Now go ahead and add a new group. So you're gonna have to name the group. That's to name the new column. So this could be backlog, all right, as a new group. And of course, once you're done, it could also be review, completed, just depending on your workflow. Now go ahead and click on done. And once you click on done, you see that a new column has been added to this board. Now you can add cards, which include tags or items to the new column. So now that your new column is created, you can start adding tags or items by clicking on this plus new icon at the bottom of the column, or you can also drag existing cards from other columns, whichever one you want to use. Now go ahead and freestyle this. Add more tags. Just go ahead and click on new, and then just click on new to just add more tags until you have everything that you want. So if you want to rearrange the columns, just hover over to the column header, then drag and drop the column to your preferred position. That's pretty much it. And that's it. You've successfully added a new column to your board in Notion. Now you can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you are done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.